Hello dear students, I Rahul Mishra and today we are going to discuss about new polymer which is PVC. So what is PVC? So PVC is polyvinyl chloride. PVC is polyvinyl chloride. So we all know that polyvinyl chloride is PVC and we have listened in our daily life PVC pipe. So that is polymer. जो PVC पाइप होते हैं वो भी क्या है, पॉलीमर. So what is PVC? PVC is a thermoplastic polymer. PVC is a thermoplastic polymer. It is also a type of addition or chain growth polymer. It is also a type of addition or chain growth polymer. It means PVC एक प्रकार का thermoplastic polymer है. We all know about thermoplastic polymer. Those polymer which get melt when they heated. It means ऐसे polymer जो कि heat करने पर melt हो जाते हैं या soft हो जाते हैं. Then that type of polymer are called as thermoplastic polymer. Now PVC is also called as addition polymer or chain growth polymer. Addition or chain growth polymer. So why it is called as addition polymer? Because this polymer is some like polyethylene. Only one difference is there. In case of polyethylene, carbon is substituted by 2 hydrogen, but in case of polyethylene, carbon is substituted by 2 hydrogen. But in case of PVC, 1 carbon is substituted by 1 hydrogen and 1 Cl. So we all know that about monomer unit of polyvinyl chloride. So what will be its monomer unit? So as we have already discussed, to find monomer unit, we remove the word poly. It means its monomer unit will be vinyl chloride. So vinyl chloride is a monomer unit of polyvinyl chloride polymer. It means PVC या polyvinyl chloride polymer की monomer unit होती है vinyl chloride. So when n molecule of vinyl chloride get polymerized in the presence of peroxide initiator, then it will form polyvinyl chloride. So listen here, what is the formula of vinyl chloride? It is so simple. We all know about the formula of ethylene. It is CH2 double bond CH2. So when we remove 1 hydrogen from 1 carbon, then it will be some like this. And when this carbon is connected with Cl, then this unit is called as vinyl chloride. So the formula of vinyl chloride is CH2 double bond CHCl. It means जब एथिलीन के एक हाइड्रोजन को हटाकर एक Cl लगाया जाता है तो बन जाता है विनाइल क्लोराइड. So we can see CH2 double bond CHCl. This unit is called as vinyl chloride. When its n molecule get polymerized, then it will form a polymer and it will form PVC or polyvinyl chloride. In case of polymerization, you have to know one thing always. First one is double bond get converted into single. It means किसी भी पॉलीमर की प्रिपरेशन में जनरली डबल बॉन्ड जो है सिंगल में चेंज हो जाता है. एंड लिसन, इफ दिस डबल बॉन्ड गेट ब्रेक, अगर ये डबल बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा, then there will be one valency free and there will also be one free valency. It means this free valency is represented by this single bond. So listen, In case of polymerization, double bond is converted into single. So now this is polyvinyl chloride. It is used. What is the usage of PVC? It is used in making pipe, cloth and toys. Now next type of polymer is PAN. PAN. What is PAN? So PAN is polyacrylonitrile. Polyacrylonitrile. And note down its another name. Its another name is Arlan. ORLON. You have to note down it. Its another name is Arlan. ORLON. This is its another name. And write down it into your notes. And also now note down PAN. Polyacrylonitrile is also called as acrylon. 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 It is also called as acrylon. So PAN has two names also, Arlan and acrylon. So remember it. It can be asked into UP board examination from this name also. It means ये PAN पैन एक्राइलॉन और आर्लान के नाम से भी आपके एग्जाम में आ सकते हैं. Now what is Arlan? So Arlan, it is very simple. So we all know that this is polyacrylonitrile, so its monomer unit will be acrylonitrile. So how will you write acrylonitrile? When one hydrogen of ethylene is replaced by one CN group. जब एथिलीन ग्रुप का एथिलीन या CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CH2 ग्रुप का एक हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस कर देते हैं एक CN ग्रुप से, देन द यूनिट ऑब्टेन्ड विल बी कॉल्ड एज एक्राइलोनाइट्राइल. तब जो यूनिट बनती है इस यूनिट को कहते हैं एक्राइलोनाइट्राइल. So when n units of acrylonitrile get polymerized in the presence of peroxide, then it will form polyacrylonitrile. So in this case same thing will be proceed. इस केस में भी सेम चीज़ प्रोसीड होगी. For example we can say double bond will get converted into सिंगल. इट मीन्स डबल बॉन्ड जो है वो सिंगल में चेंज होगा. एंड लिसन, देयर विल बी फ्री वैलेंसी ऑन दिस कार्बन एंड दिस कार्बन, दिस कार्बन एंड दिस कार्बन. सो देयर विल बी free valencies onto this carbon and this carbon. So these free valencies are represented by single bond here. So I hope you understood it. So in case of polymerization you have to know two things. It means किसी भी polymerization या किसी भी पॉलीमर की प्रिपरेशन की केमिकल रिएक्शन में आपको दो चीज़ें ये याद रखनी है कि जनरली डबल बॉन्ड किस में चेंज होता है, सिंगल में. डबल बॉन्ड गेट चेंजेस इनटू सिंगल and there will be two free valencies. When this double bond get break, then there will be two free valencies, one on this carbon and other on this carbon. So these two free valencies are represented by single bond here. Now this is PAN polymer and this is also a type of addition polymer. ये भी एथिलीन की तरह ही addition polymer है. Next thing is it is made by the polymerization of acrylonitrile because इसकी मोनोमर यूनिट क्या है, एक्राइलोनाइट्राइल. तो इस एक्राइलोनाइट्राइल का जब पॉलीमराइजेशन होगा तब क्या बनेगा, polyacrylonitrile. Listen, this polymer is hard in nature and it has high melting point. And next important thing is, and very important thing is, this polymer polyacrylonitrile is also called as polyvinyl cyanide, and its monomer unit is also called as vinyl cyanide, which is also called as acrylonitrile. So what are the uses of this polymer? So in making sweaters and blankets, these are the uses of this polymer.